Good morning, guys. I'm getting ready to fix this vacuum cleaner. Loxie's out here eating her breakfast. See what she's doing there? That's what she was doing over here, except she would pick up her food and move it to here. So, and I do clean this up after so that obviously I don't get, you know, ants and bugs and stuff. But anyways, so that's going on. I need to fix that too, the bottom of the door. So I'm gonna add another attachment to the bottom of this. What I wanna do is vacuum the floor and then mop it because it's really dirty. Well, actually, no. I decided I'm gonna take the day off from my main channel. So originally I was supposed to post my bedroom video, but I'm just not, I just didn't feel, I don't know, inspired or, you know, just to do it. So I'm just gonna take the day off from that. So I just basically planned on tidying up and just chilling out. I do, however, want to go ahead and change out of these clothes. I want to shower, but because I'm gonna mop and stuff, and I might just decide to do more cleaning, I'll get sweaty. So I'm just gonna change into, you know, my workout lounge clothes. This is the charger for the vacuum battery, so I'm just gonna put it up because it's fully charged for now, and just slip it into this drawer. Just trying to keep the countertops cleaned on the daily, some dishes I gotta do, and I already changed the date on the calendar, and now I'm waiting for that to heat up, and then finally I'm gonna mop this floor. So I'm gonna do that. I also vacuumed the entryway and then that piece, by the way, off camera, and I need to vacuum my bathroom as well.